Hi guys, I'm Shikha and how are you? I hope you all are doing very well. And today we are going to solve sum number 2, okay, from the exercise 2.1 RD Sharma, okay. And sum number 2, right? What we have to do in sum number 2, see what is written. For each of the following, okay, for each of the following, find a quadratic polynomial. हमें quadratic polynomial को find out करना है whose sum and product respectively of the zeros are as given. जिसके zeros का sum और product of the zeros हमें given है. हमें क्या given है? Sum of the zeros given है, product of the zeros given है, and we have to find a quadratic polynomial. ऐसा quadratic polynomial जिसके sum of the zeros and product of the zeros हमें given है, वो polynomial हमें find out करना है, ठीक है? And also, right? Also, find the zeros of these polynomials by factorizations. और जो polynomials हम like frame out करेंगे, find out करेंगे, उन polynomials के हमें zeros को भी find out करना है. किस method से? By factorization method. ठीक है, क्योंकि हमें zeros भी नहीं पता है. We don't know the zeros of the polynomials. ठीक है, हमें sum of the zeros given है, product of the zeros given है, but we haven't been told like what are the zeros of these polynomials. So हमें zeros भी find out करने हैं. Okay, right? तो हमें given क्या है? हमें given है sum of the zeros, right? And product of the zeros. And polynomial हमें find out करना है. Okay, so let's start. Yeah, I'm taking sum number 1. Yeah, so हमें given है sum of the zeros, right? So it means I can write alpha plus beta is given, right? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus 8 by 3. They have given, okay? And product of the zeros, this is 4 by 3. So I can write, okay, alpha into beta, right? Alpha into beta is given. What is given? Alpha into beta, 4 by 3. This is given 4 by 3, okay? And polynomial हमें find out करना है. So we have a formula, okay? Formula क्या है? Fx is equal to k, right? K x squared minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. This is the formula to find out a polynomial if sum of the zeros is given and product of the zeros is given. So with the help of this formula we can find out a polynomial. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास alpha plus beta is given, alpha into beta is given. So now we will put up these two values in this formula. Okay, see, fx is equal to k x squared minus alpha plus beta. What is the value of alpha plus beta? Minus 8 by 3. Okay, but we already have minus, so minus minus plus 8 by 3 x plus alpha into beta. What is the value of alpha into beta? 4 by 3. 4 by 3. And what is k there? K is a real number. K is a constant, right? It's a real number. So this is our polynomial. हमने polynomial find out कर लिया है. But now also find the zeros. हमें zeros भी find out करने हैं. And zeros find out करने के लिए we know very well like fx. This is our polynomial, and now we have to find out the zeros. It means we have to do. Fx is equal to 0. We will equate fx to 0, right? So now we are gonna solve actually fx is equal to 0, right? Fx is equal to 0. And what is the value of fx? This is k x squared plus 8 by 3x plus 4 by 3 is equal to 0, right? K we will take that side. So k 0 में absorbed हो जाएगा, right? K will go to 0, so it will become 0. So it means we are left with only x squared plus 8 by 3x plus 4 by 3 is equal to 0. ये जो हमारा polynomial equation है, इसमें आप देख रहे हो कि these two terms are in fraction form. So we want that it should be in simple form. Simple form हो जाएगी, so it will be easy to solve it. तो अब इसे simple form में कैसे convert करेंगे? By taking LCM, right? By taking LCM. LCM will be 3. So here it will be 3x squared. Here it will be 8x. And here it will be 4. Am I right? 3x squared plus 8x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now we will do the cross multiplication. Okay? So cross multiplication. 3 will go to 0. So that will become 0. And this will be multiplied with 1. So we are going to get the same terms. It means Now we have got, after cross multiplication, 3x squared plus 8x plus 4 is equal to 0. Right? We have got this. Now our polynomial equation, it is in simple form. It is in standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c. So how to find out the zeros now? Prime factorization method we have to use. So middle term splitting method, right? We can just adopt the middle term splitting method. So here is 8 and multiply this coefficient 3 and constant 4. 3 into 4, that is 12. 12 we have to break this way so that we can get 8. Okay. So we can take 6 2s are 12. Am I right? 6 2s are 12. Because 6 plus 2, that is equal to 8. Yes. So on the place of 8, I will write 6 plus 2. So this is 3x squared plus, on the place of 8, 6 plus 2, x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now we will open the bracket. 3x squared plus 6x plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. What is common in these two terms? 3x is common. Okay. 3x. So 3x. Here what is left? Only x is left. Here what is left? 2 is left. Plus. And now what is common in these two terms? 2 is common. Okay. So 2x plus here 2 is equal to 0. Now what is common in whole? X plus 2 is common. So x plus 2, and here what is left? Only 3x is left, plus here what is left? Only 2 is left, is equal to 0. And now it means either x plus 2 is equal to 0 or 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So I am taking 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Right? X plus 2 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. And now I am taking this is equal to 0. So 3x is equal to minus 2. That means x is equal to minus 2 by 3. X is equal to minus 2 by 3. These are the zeros of this polynomial. Okay, so we can write alpha is equal to minus 2 and beta is equal to minus 2 by 3. Right? So we have just framed the polynomial also. We framed the polynomial. We found out the polynomial and we have found out the zeros also. Got that? This was our sum number second, first one. Right? And now we are on sum number second. Yes. So let me rub the whiteboard, please. Yes. Second. We are going to solve now. Second. Yes. Alpha plus beta is given and alpha into beta is given. Alpha plus beta. It is given 21 by 8. Okay. And alpha into beta is given 5 by 16. We have to find out a polynomial. Just apply the formula, right? Formula is fx is equal to k x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. Okay, is equal to k x square minus. What is the value of alpha plus beta? This is 21 by 8. Okay, 21 by 8 x plus alpha beta. What is the value of alpha beta? This is 5 by 16. 5 by 16. Okay. So this is our polynomial. We have found out the polynomial, right? Okay. And now what we have to do, we have to find the zeros also. For finding out the zeros, we have to solve the polynomial equation fx is equal to 0. It means now we will equate this fx to 0. Okay. Fx is equal to 0. That means k x square minus 21 by 8 x plus 5 by 16 is equal to 0. Is that okay? Right? And k I will send it to that side. So k will be absorbed by 0. Okay? So x square minus 21 by 8x plus 5 by 16. ये k हमारा right side गया. So k into 0, that will also become 0. Or we can say 0 is divided by k. So it will also become 0. Right? Is equal to 0. अब ये जो हमारा like polynomial equation है, it is not in simple form. So by taking LCM and all, we will just convert it into simple form. Okay. So here is 1. Now I'm taking LCM. LCM will be 16. Okay. So this is 16x squared minus 42x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now the next step is we will do the cross multiplication. Yes. So 16 into 0, that will become 0. 1 will be multiplied by these with these all terms. So same terms we are going to get. Okay. So it means we are getting, okay, we got After cross multiplication, we have got 16x square minus 42x plus 5 is equal to 0. Right? After cross multiplication, we have got this. Now we will be just using middle term splitting method to get the zeros of this polynomial. So guys, 16 into 5, that is 80. And 80 we have to just divide this way so that we can get 42. Okay, see guys, 42s are 80 and 40 plus 2 42. Yes, so on the place of 42 we can write 40 plus 2. Okay, see, so I am writing 16x square minus, on the place of 42 I am writing 40 plus 2. 40 plus 2 x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we will open the bracket. 16x square minus 40x minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now in these two terms we will take common. What is common? 8x is common. So 8x, here it is 2x minus 5. And here minus 2x plus 5. Nothing is common. So I am taking minus 1 common. Okay. Minus 1. So here it will be 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. What is common in whole? 2x minus 5. So 2x minus 5 I have taken common. What is left here? 8x minus. What is left here? Only 1 is equal to 0. So now either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. So I am taking 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. So 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 5 by 2. Is that okay? X is equal to 5 by 2. And now if I take 8x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 8x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 8. Yes. So we have got two values of x, or we can say two zeros we have found out. X is equal to 5 by 2, x is equal to 1 by 8. We can write alpha is equal to 5 by 2 and beta is equal to 1 by 8. Okay. So this way we have found out the zeros also of this polynomial. Got that guys? Now the clear hai na bilkul? Okay. And now just we are moving to some number second, third. Yes. So, second, third one. It's also going to be very interesting, some second, third one. Yeah. So again, alpha plus beta is given, right? Alpha plus beta minus 2 under root 3 and alpha into beta is given minus 9. And we have to, find out a polynomial. So, alpha plus beta is given minus 2 under root 3, okay, and alpha into beta is given minus 9, okay. So let's find out a polynomial with the help of formula. Fx is equal to k x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. This is our formula, okay. We will just put up the values. X square minus alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta, this is minus 2 root 3. But we already have minus. So minus minus will become plus. Plus 2 under root 3 x plus alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is minus 9. We have plus. Plus minus becomes minus. So here we will write minus 9. That's it. K is a real number, or we can say constant. So we have found out the polynomial. And now we have to find out the zeros. Okay, we have to find out the zero. It means we will solve fx is equal to 0. Fx is equal to 0. That means k x square plus 2 under root 3 x minus 9 is equal to 0. K will go that side. It will also become 0. So x square plus 2 under root 3 x minus 9 is equal to 0. Right? Again, middle term splitting method. 9. See guys, 9. If we do the prime factorization of 9, so it will be 3 into 3. 3 into 3, 3, 1. Like this. Am I right? So it means we can write 9 is equal to 3 into 3. And we have to get the middle term in under root 3 form. So this 3 I am writing in under root 3 form. Under root 3 into under root 3 into under root 3 into under root 3. Why? Because 3 is equal to under root 3 into under root 3. Okay. And we have to get 2 under root 3. See guys, root 3 into root 3, this is 3, 3 root 3. 3 root 3 minus root 3, what will be the value? 3 root 3 minus root 3, value will be 2 under root 3. And this is what we have to get here. So, on the place of 2 under root 3, I am going to write 3 under root 3 minus root 3. Okay, 3 under root 3 minus root 3 x minus 9 is equal to 0. See, 3 under root 3 minus root 3, that is equal to 2 root 3. And if we multiply them, 3 under root 3 into root 3, so we get 9 also. Okay, fine. So now we will just open the bracket. X square plus 3 under root 3 x minus root 3x minus 9 is equal to 0. Now what is common here? X is common. So here x will be left. Here 3 under root 3 will be left. And here I am taking minus under root 3 common. So here what will be left? X will be left plus, and here what will be left? 3 under root 3 is equal to 0. Am I right? Fine. 9 is there. 9 is equal to root 3 into root 3 into root 3 into root 3. If you take root 3 common, suppose I have taken root 3 common. So what is left? Root 3 into root 3 into root 3. And that is equal to 3 root 3. 3 root 3. So that's why here we have written 3 root 3 is equal to 0. Okay? Is that clear? And now what is common in whole? X plus 3 under root 3. This is common in whole. So I'm taking, yes, I'm taking x plus 3 under root 3 common in whole. So what is left here? Only x is left. Only x. Minus. And here what is left? Minus root 3 is equal to 0. Right? Is equal to 0. So now either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. So I'm taking this is equal to 0 first. So x plus 3 under root 3 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to minus 3 root 3. Right? And if I take x minus under root 3 is equal to 0. Right? So x is equal to root 3. So now we have got the two values of x. These are the zeros of this polynomial. And now we can say alpha is equal to minus 3 root 3. Okay? And beta is equal to root 3. Fine. So we have just, found out the polynomial, and after that we have got the zeros also of the, given of this, what I'm saying, the polynomial we have found out, right? So we got the zeros also, and we had just framed out a polynomial. Is that okay, right? And now, yes, now we are gonna solve U-term, second, fourth one. Second, third we have done now, second, fourth. Okay? Yeah. Second, fourth one. Second, fourth one, we are going to solve now. Yeah. So what are we given with? We are, we have been given minus 3 upon 2 root 5. This is alpha plus beta. And alpha into beta is given. This is minus 1 by 2. Right? Okay. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus 3 upon 2 root 5, and alpha into beta is given minus 1 by 2. Okay, so now frame out, we have to find out the polynomial. Formula is fx is equal to k x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. Now we will put up the values. K x square minus alpha plus beta. What is the value of alpha plus beta? This is minus 3 upon 2 under root 5. And we already have minus. Minus minus will become plus. So we will get plus 3 upon 2 under root 5 x plus alpha into beta. Value of alpha into beta, this is minus 1 by 2. So we have plus. Plus minus becomes minus. So minus 1 by 2. Yes. This is our polynomial. We had to get the polynomial and we have got the polynomial, right? And what about the zeros? Zeros also we have to find out of this polynomial. So now fx is equal to 0. We are going to solve fx is equal to 0. That means k x square plus 3 upon 2 under root 5x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. K I am sending that side, so it will also become 0. So we are left with x square plus 3 upon 2 under root 5x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. This polynomial equation, this is not in simple form. So by taking LCM, we are going to convert it into simple form. So what will be the LCM? LCM will be 4 under root 5. Okay, here it will be 1. So now this is 4 under root 5x square. Okay, and then 6x and then 2 under root 5. Okay, am I right? Yes. 2 under root 5 is equal to 0. Fine, guys? Yeah. And now we will do the cross multiplication. So 4 under root 5 into 0, that will become 0. And these all terms will be multiplied 1 by 1. So all the same terms we are going to get. After cross multiplication, we will get 4 under root 5 x squared plus 6x minus 2 under root 5 is equal to 0. So now we will just apply the middle term splitting method to get the 0 of this polynomial. First of all, we will just multiply this constant, this coefficient and constant. So 4 2s are 8 and root 5 into root 5. That will be 8 into 5 will be 40. So 40 we have to break this way so that we can get 6. Right? 40 we have to break this way, yeah, so that we can get 6. See guys, 10 4s are 40 and 10 minus 4 6. Yes. So on the place of 6 we can write 10 minus 4. Okay. See, 4 under root 5 x squared plus 6. On the place of 6 I am writing 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 x minus 2 under root 5 is equal to 0. Now we will open the bracket. 4 under root 5 x squared, okay, plus 10x minus 4x minus 2 under root 5 is equal to 0. And now from these two terms we will take something common. Right? We will take something common, and I am taking yes, 2 under root 5x I am taking common. 2 under root 5x I am taking common. Okay, so here what will be left? Here only 2x will be left. Plus, okay, and here what will be left? Only under root 5 will be left. Am I right? Only under root 5 will be left here. Okay, and here I am taking common, yeah, minus 2 I am taking common. So here we will have 2x plus under root 5 is equal to 0. Is that okay? And now what is common in whole? 2x plus under root 5. This is common in whole. So now I am writing 2x plus under root 5. And here what is left? Only 2 under root 5x. And there what is left? Minus 2 is equal to 0. Fine. And now either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. So I am taking first this is equal to 0. Right. So 2x plus root 5 is equal to 0. That means 2x is equal to minus under root 5 and x is equal to minus under root 5 by 2. Okay. And now if this is equal to 0, so that means 2 under root 5 x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 upon 2 under root 5. 2 got cancelled and we are left with 1 upon under root 5. We are left with 1 upon under root 5. So these are the zeros of the given polynomial, right? And we can say alpha and beta we have found out. Alpha is equal to minus under root 5 by 2, okay? And beta is equal to 1 upon root 5, okay? And beta is equal to 1 upon root 5. So this is how, okay, in these all four sums, we have found out the polynomials and we got the zeros also by the factorization method. Is that clear? आप फिर से इन सम्स को सॉल्व करोगे, okay? And while solving, if you feel any difficulty, any problem, so you can just ask me your query or question by dropping a message, by dropping a comment in comment box. ठीक है? वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो आप इसे लाइक करना, फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करना और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना. Bye bye.